Hello viewers, today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can make a Facebook account on the PC. First of all, open the Google Chrome. Type here Facebook. Now on this web page you are seeing here, you can see a create an account form here. So enter your first name, enter your surname. If you have a Gmail email account or email address, you can write down here, or you can simply write your number here. So I'm going to write my email. Now re-enter the Gmail address. You can add a minimum 6-character password on this. Now enter your birthday. Select your gender and click on sign up. If you connect with your Gmail account, you have to confirm your email address. Click on connect to Gmail. Now you can see here the email address you entered there. Now click on next. Enter your Gmail password here and click on next. Now you can see here the account is confirmed. Now you can click on OK. Click on next. You can skip this step. Now your profile has been created. You can add your pictures, your information, your activities and other additional information on your timeline. That's how you create your Facebook account. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video and click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get more updates.
Savannah, I'm coming home.